Today, we're making the best fried rice possible and it's meal prep. Just look at how delicious this is. I'm sure even Uncle Roger will approve. So, let's get cooking. Chop about 44 grams or half a cup of garlic chives. One-quarter cup of green onion. Dice 260 grams of homemade char siu. Lapchang is also a popular meat to use in fried rice or even spam or shrimp. Dice 1 link of Portuguese sausage. Only get the Silva brand, by the way. Never get Redondo's, it's just not the same. And if you can't get Silva brand, then just leave it out. For our sauce, measure out 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and mix thoroughly. Scramble 3 eggs. Lastly, we'll loosen up our day-old refrigerated rice. We're using medium grain Calrose rice today. Never use fresh made rice if possible, otherwise your fried rice will end up mushy and clumpy. Let's cook. On a wok set to high heat, heat up our oil, cook our Portuguese sausage and char siu. Then put this aside. Do not clean the pan, we want to use the leftover pork fat and oil. It adds lots of flavor. Okay, we'll add our eggs, our rice, add back the meat, mix it, add our sauce, mix it, add our chives and green onion, mix it again, add about 1/4 cup of peas, mix it real good, and then add about 12 grams of dashi. Continuously mixing, mix it real good, lastly, add a dash of white pepper. Toss it, mix it. And there we have the best fried rice that even Uncle Roger would approve of. The umami flavor from the dashi and saltiness from the char siu just absolutely melts into the rice. The garlic chives as well just add a slight garlicky punch. This recipe makes about 7 servings, with each serving being 300 grams. If you're interested in learning how I made the char siu used in this recipe, the recipe is in the description below or linked here. Similarly, to make rice in 3 minutes using an Instapot is also linked. To reheat, simply microwave for 2 to 3 minutes and enjoy. Here we have a summary of the ingredients. Protein, calories, and cost. This is a great meal to save money, but also a delicious fried rice staple to any weekly meal prep. This is by far my favorite fried rice. If you're getting hungry just watching, then be sure to subscribe for more weekly videos, and let me know in the comments below what foods you want to see next.